Hello everyone and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're looking at gold here, giving you guys just a bit more of an update of what we're thinking. So we were looking at, this area of the market to, kind of push down, and we were looking for some rejection within the top level of this channel. Obviously we didn't get that. So in hindsight, we could have taken, obviously a buy at this point of the market, but our bias is more towards the upside still. So what I'm looking at right now, seeing as prices clearly smashed above our channel, I'm looking for price to make a bit of a retracement, but we still have one more move to the upside, I do believe. So I'll be looking for price to potentially fall back into this channel. We could get a rejection off this point, but we can use this point as a former support level, and then I'll be looking for a potential one more push to the upside, and it needs to, I want to see price close above the current high that we do have here, and then we could be looking at marking our another trend line here, so we could connect this to this, and then I'll be looking for price to break this new trend line that we'll draw in the future. And then once this happens, I could be looking at some good long-term sells for for a couple of weeks or so. So that's what I want to try and do. So I do feel that gold is coming to a point in the market where we are coming to the all-time highs near enough. So I do believe we could be looking at a potential short soon. So this is obviously one scenario that I'm painting out. Now the other scenario that I wanted to talk about is if price continues to push up. So if price does continue to push, I'm just simply not going to trade this move at all. So the reason for this is because the best position would have been to look at this level or this level here, and of course as we miss this point, we've got all of this room where price can make a big drop, and we don't know. So we're not going to trade the absolute top. We just have to stay patient. So price could open with the market push to the upside, and then all I'll be simply waiting for is price to make a descent to the downside. I'll be looking at this region of the market here personally, but of course you can take your own levels, and then I'll just be looking for some form of resistance and support to the downside where we're seeing price push higher, and that's ultimately what I want to see before I take another buy, and then we could look for another push, redraw the supposed new trend line, and then if I label this in a red color, so this would be the new trend line, and then I'll be literally waiting for the next drop and see if that reversal can happen. So that's all I'll be looking at gold here. I know it looks a bit complicated, but I hope you can understand what I'm trying to paint here for you. So again, just looking at a correction to the downside before one final push up. Then I'll be looking for exhaustion, and then we could be looking at another sell, and this sell would be potential long run really. So that's what I'll be looking for gold for the up and coming weeks or so. I hope this video helps for you guys. So of course do your own research and your own analysis, of course. So if you're a new trader or you're new to this channel, we have a trading group that you can join. That link is in the description below. Feel free to join it. We give you a lot of insights of how what we're looking at and our perspectives of the chart. So again, I really do hope it helps. If you have a question for us, I'm more than happy to help. Just message us on our Instagram, which is @KMTRADERS, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So finally, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel for all of our future analysis videos. And thank you very much for listening to this video, and see you guys all in the next one.